Okay, these are older buttons, but we're back here at Pantano and Broadway. There's 2 seconds left. We got older pet safety logo. Newer crosswalk button. And unfortunately, these have sadly replaced older Campbell AAPS buttons here. Some of them were actually already replaced before this.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
There goes the Australian walk signal on that one. This one didn't beep.
Wait to cross. Wait.
But as you can see, there's the old pet safety logo down here. The one at Limberlost and Stone's got the fancy new one.
Wait.
Plenty more of them you'll see in the future. Have either the newer logo or the older logo.
Wait to cross.
This one just so happens to have it. I'm a little disappointed because all of the AAPS buttons that are like small have all been replaced. The walk signal should be going off any minute now.
Wait.
There it goes. This is where I took the original video back when the old buttons were still here. There's this button here. That's where the old pole used to sit, or at least somewhere around here was where the original pole sat, and that was where the original Campbell AAPS button once stood. This one barely beeps.
Wait to cross. Wait to cross.
These all have that fancy new sign too. They don't have the typical ones.
Wait.
Watch this. Australian walk signal in 3, 2, 1. Called it. You can see the back of the speaker on this one. Apparently this one's number 109. Gonna wait a couple minutes. But yeah, before they upgraded this intersection, those buttons were like pretty problematic. They got rid of all of them and replaced them with these. Not too upset, but these are like very boring. This one's very quiet. Yep, called it. This one's way too quiet. Oh, that one makes a lot of noises too. It's making some rattling noises. There's your button there. Pretty much a lot of these buttons in Tucson now have gotten this kind of treatment. Most of them have received this treatment. Some of them actually have gotten standard Campbell Guardian buttons without the wave. And then there's some buttons that just have the Arizona standard Campbell buttons, but they have smaller buttons like this one here. They got these smaller buttons here instead of the bigger ones with the 2 screws. This one's way too quiet. And that one over there is pretty quiet too. Walk signal in a second here. Also, you can see the crosswalk up ahead. There's the walk signal. I could have sworn I heard that guy talking to himself. This is 111. This one's very quiet too. It's also dirty. Like quite dirty. This one's also quite dirty. Yeah, when they replaced the buns here, they also took out the medians. They took all the median signals out. Yeah, this one is like extremely quiet. You can't even tell. Oh, there it goes. The vibrator works, but the speaker is barely hearable. That's it for this.